Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a Word document to your OneDrive portal via Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a Word document. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Search for this, enter to open up the web application. Now let's go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to applications, explore all the applications. Now let's navigate to the OneDrive portal. Click on this, wait for that to load. Let's now go to admin, my files. Before we commence any further, let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Finder. Now let's locate a Word document that we may have created whenever. So let's now click on trial.documents. Let's open up the document before we upload to OneDrive. This is a test document, that's fine. Quit Word, let's take that document, highlight, right click, copy, go to the desktop, right click, paste item. We now have the document duplicated on the desktop. We can now close Finder. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Let's go to the folder 2024 that was created in the previous tutorial. Let's now go to add new, go to files, upload, which takes us directly to the desktop where we have trial document.docx. Click on this, now open. Let's just wait for the document to upload within the folder. We can click on the document to open up that document within Word through SharePoint. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.